I know I look like this, and I've looked like this for a really long time now, actually. But I've been thinking lately, what if I looked like this? Or this? Or fuck it, what about this? Or this? Or this, because why not? My sister's here to do my hair, okay? She went to hair school, so I am blessed and lucky. And I haven't been utilizing her in the past couple of years. So here's the thing. We have some bleach, we have some toners. Guess down below what you think my hair is going to look like at the end. This is so dramatic.
What color are we going?
What are we doing? Oh, we also have these. These are so cute. Look at, they're so, Glinda, and I got these so long ago too.
I don't care.
What the fuck?
Oh no!
This has never happened to me in
your
my
hair's
whole
too thick and
life. The wet brush,
What?
not even lasted me 6 years.
You should take it back to Target.
I bought this 6 years ago. With my hair dandruff. I need to brush it out. Okay, so this is my hair before, okay?
You need a trim.
I do. Welcome to the salon. This is the Inside Out salon.
Oh, that's a good name.
Yes, I know, because if you guys don't know Jamie, this is my sister, which a lot of you guys do. If you watch my Thrift With Me that she's been in, also the podcast. Before we get started, you can introduce yourself.
Oh my gosh. I'm Jamie. I'm 22. That's about it, guys.
Okay. Interesting.
Wow. Your hair really is beautiful.
I'm sorry, but my hair is probably the healthiest it's ever been.
You with all that?
Oh my god, yes, hairstylist.
Oh my god.
I have not, okay, little rundown of my hair history, you guys. I have not dyed my hair, I think since I have to go back through my pictures and figure this out, but it's been years, and that is like unheard of for me. We both have been, we're always on the same wave, so she hasn't really been, well, she got highlights a little bit ago, but in between then, she didn't have a lot going on with her hair either.
Yeah,
but
we're just yin and yang.
You can call us yin and yang, yes. I went red or copper hair in 2022. In the beginning of 2022, and that was the last thing I did to my hair, and then I just let it grow out. I don't think I ever even dyed it brown. I just tried to let it grow out. Here's the thing. With new hair comes a new persona. Jamie and I were actually just talking about this. We were talking about like our 2025 mood boards and how she wants a new, what did you say?
New brand.
New brand. A rebrand. What's 2025 rebrand for you?
For me?
Yeah. Like,
Oh
what's the
my
vibe?
gosh.
Do you have like interest?
Well, I think that's the part I'm trying to figure out. I do have like a slight vibe, like I know. I need some more color, like in my wardrobe.
In your wardrobe, okay.
For sure.
Okay.
Like patterns, you know, a little funk.
I see. Okay.
Some new hair maybe.
Okay. An avatar change.
An avatar change. I need like an inner avatar change too.
Ooh.
I feel like. Okay, we were just talking about this, how we're in like. Maybe don't put this.
What?
That we're in hater mode.
Oh.
Like, maybe not hater mode, but we're in
evil mode.
evil mode.
No, that's what I said. I have it here because I said I'm changing my avatar, I'm changing my soundtrack. I saw this thing, due to recent events, I am becoming evil.
Need a little
shut
of the mouth.
Oh.
But
silent world conquer. Okay.
Yeah.
I like that. Yeah, you know what? I've never really had an evil arc in my life.
No.
And by evil,
yeah.
and by evil, we mean like light evil. You know, like evil emote in Fortnite.
Right.
Like it's just a little touch of just a little bit more of not caring kind of thing.
Yeah.
You know? And we're just waking up to the fact that a lot of people that we've come across lately in our life are evil, and we're like, not that you should fight evil with evil. I'm not saying that, okay? This is turning into a podcast episode. But I think the point of not caring, so almost as a self-protection, you know, us pure people in life with the really sensitive hearts.
Okay, yes, this is my point. I just
you gotta have some sort of armor,
yes,
because
that's what I need.
It's not everyone else's responsibility, yes, to take care of your precious, perfect, sweet angel heart. However, you know, I don't know where I'm going with that. This would be really good for us. So again, Jamie and I are always on the same vibe. We are twins, same womb, everything. Anyway, I should stop saying that. So people are gonna believe me when I say that. But honestly though, that's what technically you kind of are, because you were, when our mom was conceived, I read somewhere
that we're twins.
That like when our mom was born, she had all of the eggs that she was going to have for her life.
Says this?
Right? So that means that like we've always been together. I'm not getting into the science of it all. I'm gonna embarrass myself.
All right.
Well, we're gonna say in a twisted way that we're twins.
But why would our birthday be literally a week apart? Like
we were meant to
but like
be.
7 days apart.
We were meant to be. And you can say, oh my God, the train song, hey, it could be too powerful as
Either,
like yearly, like in the same year.
Either Taurus or Gemini. Like that would be too powerful.
Yeah.
We needed like a balance.
I agree.
So fun.
But yeah, different hair color, different soundtrack. I've been trying to get into like one of my things for the new year is like to listen to a different artist or band. I don't want to say every day, but like every time I get in the car, I should try it, or like every week at least.
And you know what? I swear when I do, it really, like people, like the manifestors say, if you're having like consistent, like maybe like off days or something, or like you're in a rut, if you just change one thing in your routine, or like something you listen to.
Like a new thing.
Yes, it just changes like your whole way of thinking.
Yes.
Which is like such a good idea if you're like.
No, that makes sense.
For any day, though. Our rebrand is so needed when you need inspo and, like, a new energy.
Yeah. And I know, I agree. I literally agree. Energy, that's, like, what it vibes off of. Like, you're, like,
it is.
like
You're changing, literally, your frequency right now. I love my Hatch alarm, except I found a really bad way to snooze.
Oh, no. Because what, was sitting in your bed?
Yes.
How?
Like, I don't know how I figured it out. I figured it out in my sleep, though.
Oh, you lazy fucker in your sleep. You were like, I have to figure this out.
I don't know how I did it, but I'm trying to shake it currently.
Okay, but what is it? How do you do it?
On my phone, you go to the Hatch alarm app, and you can snooze it from there. Like, it will ask you.
Yeah.
It's the worst. I've tried to delete it off my home screen.
Wait, that's like if you have your phone across the room, you know, like sometimes I've used my phone against the room and have alarm, and then like be like, hey Siri, turn off my
Actually, it's ruining my life lately because I was in such a good routine until I somehow...
Oh, now you have to put your phone across the room with it. Noah Khan, View Between Villages. That song, again, the angry part of it, such a good song. The build up in that song is crazy. And also, Rosie's new album, you guys, so good. I was so excited for it before because I know a lot of people, like, I think the Apartment song or APT, whatever, with Bruno Mars was a little bit memed on. I loved that song, like,
I still love it.
I think it's so good. The music video is really cute too. Like, I always have that one channel on, downstairs. I've showed you guys before in vlogs, but like the Vivo channel, and it just runs through like different music videos or whatever. And, yeah, I think it's quite iconic. We can get drinks or coffee. We cannot be naughty.
This album is just so refreshing.
It is. It's just fun.
It's kind of like what you would hear it like in a good way at like the mall, and like you'd be dancing.
Yes, exactly. Do you remember my Mindy Gledhill era, Jamie?
Who?
Do you remember Mindy Gledhill?
No.
Okay, I was obsessed with Mindy Gledhill in like middle school, beginning of high school. I haven't followed up with her much, but like, remember this song? This was like also my like Never Shout Never era. They coincided.
Oh.
Do you know this one?
Gosh, yeah.
Higher than the moon.
Does she still put out music?
I think so.
Oh, who? I always call them the Mariahs, but
the Marias. Yes. I thought you were going to like them. Remember we were talking about them for the podcast. We were going to react to their thing, but we never did.
Oh, well, good thing, because I didn't even remember and I listened to it.
Good. It's like...
Their songs are so good right now.
I agree.
In the winter, too.
Uh-huh.
And she's so cute. I watched her Tiny Desk concert today.
Oh, I didn't watch that.
Yeah. I didn't even know she had one.
Oh, my God.
And... she just is so nice.
I love that.
You could just tell on her that
good
she's
aura.
a nice person. Yes.
Yeah, I get that.
Her like, I love someone who like is just a good writer.
Yeah. Yes. It makes the difference. Like when they put their passion into it. Maybe we'll come back whenever we're almost done. This could be anyone, but it's me. I'm having an identity crisis. You know when you like look in the mirror after you do your hair, I'm like, oh my God. The next clips, the lighting was so bad this morning. This is later in the day when it's brighter, and I feel like if you're watching this video, you at least are owed the ability to see the hair in actual lighting. And so this is how it turned out. Again, up here, I really fucked it up, but that's fixable. Everything's fixable. I'm really not worried about it, but I'm just disclaiming to you. Also, it was not my sister's doing. Obsessed with it. Anyway, now I'm gonna do my makeup and get ready for the day, but I applied the toner really fast last night, and then I got nervous because I thought it was turning out too dark, and so I stopped. Pleasantly surprised with how me it still feels. Like, I've really truly always been blonde, and I never thought I would like have any of my natural hair like the way I did growing out for the past couple of years. But I loved that. I love this. I feel very fun and funky, so, well, not funky, but like, this is how I normally do my hair. I like curl it at the ends. It is a gloomy, gloomy day, and I'm going to go down to downtown with my mom, and we're gonna go get lunch and stuff, and I think we're gonna do some like gift shopping, which could be very fun, which I really need to do. I normally show you guys like the gifts that I get people in my vlogs on Vlogmas, and I do plan to do that like closer, like when I actually have the gifts. I'm so bad this year. Also, because I feel like I mentioned this before. I mention this every year, but Jared's birthday is the day before Christmas Eve, and so I shop for his birthday too, which is really fun because I get him a ton of gifts, like, and then I split them for like, which one do I think is better for birthday? Which one do I think is better for Christmas, whatever it is. And so, yeah, and then we do like white elephant with both sides of our families. Oh, you guys, I got this Huda Beauty Icy Nude palette, and it is perfect. It's cool tone heaven. I did drop it. The way I wanted to like smash my head against a wall whenever I dropped it, because it was like the second day I had it. Of course it is. But if I just did like something like that, kind of simple, keeping it simple. And then my new favorite classic lip liner is NYX Line Loud lip pencil in the shade Global Citizen. Just like a nice nude. Red is going to be so fun with this. I don't want to do it today, but that's going to be fun with my hair. But anyway, here's how my hair turned out. It might look a little different the next time you see it, just because, again, we're gonna work with the toner, but I really like it. And also, my sister is the best sister in the world for doing that for as long as she did yesterday. An angel sent. That was the video today. It was just like a random little, I just wanted to do one on my hair because I didn't want to add it into just a regular vlog and keep up with that. So they're gonna be like a normal vlog as well, but this is like my little hair thing. Love ya, bye.